Hi guys, welcome to my page. What did I cook today? I cooked concoction rice. Yes, today I made delicious concoction rice. I cook it with vegetable oil, pepper, onions. I blended the pepper and the onions together, but before I blended them together, I put them in the oven. Yes, so I use liver, I use seasoning, I use cube, I use no chicken cube, I use salt, curry, thyme, pepper, nutmeg, garlic, and ginger. Yes, so as you can see, I added everything together, so I'm mixing them all, and this is the cube, and I'm going to add our sardine. Yes, so and now the rice, we're adding the rice. Yes, and added water, and allow everything to cook together to absorb the rice. Yes, it came out rich, spices, and very